Good day, this is Egbert Nierop for Nierop Computer Vision. My company is focused, specialized on using computer vision for your PDF, for your zip, for your images, for your media source. And today I'm going to show you how to connect a live camera, a CCTV. It can be any camera as long as there is a live stream and you want to do recognition on it. So mostly today's cameras, and when you go into a company or with cameras or a shop, those cameras are just recording. They are not interactively or smart enough to see, well, something is not right here, let's send an alert. Mostly if there is an accident, then some people will scroll and view to the data and find back a recording. But that's really a pity, because our systems today can deal with it. But the challenge is the cost of ownership. So if you have a camera and you will stream it to Amazon or to Azure and have some database and some stream recognition system, the price can count up very quickly. So I will show you today how my system, which could be running in your company, in the building itself, which is also is a solution for the privacy challenge. But today I will just use my system in hosting on an Intel environment with a NVIDIA GPU, and it runs on Paperspace in Amsterdam. So first I'll share my mobile with you. In this case, my CCTV is emulated by a mobile. I have several mobiles who are dealing into the transaction. What I need to do to connect the live camera stream is just open the app. Well, mostly on a camera you have more protocols that you can use for uploading a live stream. Now you see that the camera picks up my own beautiful face, and you have several ways to connect to a live stream. In this case we will use RTMPS. RTMPS is basically the protocol which is designed by what was it again? Adobe designed this. This is a binary protocol for allowing to stream audio and video and that kind of stuff over a wire. Now you have RTMP and RTMPS. So the S stands for running over SSL. So my system supports running this over SSL, and we need the URL. The host, which is now in Paperspace, allows port 8088. That's something which you can configure basically, and the name of the camera is called Saturn. So the camera is on another mobile, which is not on the screen here, but I will turn it on soon. And the stream key is here. So of course you cannot just connect any camera. You need to have the password, which is the streaming key, and this is all configurable, of course, using the dashboard. So and the SSL ensures that your camera streams cannot be decoded by whatever is in the middle between your camera and your server. So this is just an app, but your camera will have different layout, different. But the basic thing is you need RTMPS. Now, and then we go live. We select our configuration, and I will do that on my other emulating system. And I will monitor now the stream. I will turn on my email. So let's say I am the manager for security manager, and I need to receive alerts if somebody is pulling a gun. So let's say, but we have a gun, and of course you don't want guns in your company and or your shop. So we want to get an alert for this. What I did is basically uploading a guns database model, and the model is not trained, not, I just, it was a open source from RoboFlow that you can download pretty good models made by others, and they share it mostly for free. Sometimes you need to pay a fee, which is a decent price. So I will turn on the live camera just as I showed, and this can be, for instance, a camera with HD quality, meaning 90, 80 wide and 1080 width. I'll share also the console for what my server is receiving now. Let me see if I can get that actively. Yes, there we go. Let me just clear the screen just for clarity, and we start monitoring. It's a Unix machine, and I will tell you when I start uploading. So my camera goes live as we speak, and you also can see that the server receives directly segments. So it receives chunks, it receives segments of the camera, and it divides it in parts of 10 seconds. Well, why did I do this? Because this is very easy for a pipeline. If you have a pipeline and you have 10 seconds, it is a reasonable time span, and within the time span anything can happen, like what you want to monitor on your environment. So the average time to detect a situation like guns, if you need a time span of 10 seconds plus the processing of it, let's say that's 5 seconds, then the average time to recognize live situations would be 7.5 seconds. So this system is now running fine. Let's also have a look into the what the CPU is doing, because that is an important thing. Let me see if I can share my other screen with you, and I need to disable the console. So there you go. Now this is the live screen, which is showing the health of the machine. So the machine running at paper space, a virtual machine. It is not wasting swap files, which by the way you can turn off if you want that. The memory, the GPU memory is the system memory is 30 gigabytes, and it's using just 30% of that. And the average CPU use would be 21. Yeah. Let's see. Should go down, I think. Here at the console. Now it's time to get into a danger situation. Somebody is pulling a gun, and let me see if I show. Yeah, what you see here is my mobile at this, and I should get a live monitor system. And if I pull it here, the other camera, you don't see it here, but I'm holding a gun, and the system now should be pretty, say about between 0 and 7.5, 15 seconds maximum, you should get an alert. So your money, and there you go, you have an alert. Let's open this alert, and there you go. So you see, that's me holding a gun. No, my system is not so quick, but anyway, the security office security manager can now decide to call the police or do whatever action you're legal to do. So you see, it's pretty easy to connect your camera to this computer vision system, and you can hire this system. You can just rent the system, be a test customer, let us develop, because I'm working together with my brother as well. and you also can sponsor my system. So be welcome and thank you for your interest. Bye bye.